In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Apple Pay in Stripe. By the end, Apple Pay will be available as a fast, secure checkout option for your customers wherever you accept payments through Stripe. Start by logging into your Stripe dashboard. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and click the gear icon to open Settings. This is where all of your payment configurations live and where we'll enable Apple Pay. Next, go to Payments, then open Payment Methods. This page lists all the payment options available in your region. Scroll until you find Apple Pay. When you see it, turn Apple Pay on. Stripe will immediately check whether you need to register a website domain for Apple Pay, depending on how and where you accept payments. If you're prompted to set up your domain, click Manage Domains. Add your website's domain exactly as customers see it in their browser, just the domain, no extra paths. Then verify domain ownership as prompted. Stripe will guide you through the verification, which typically involves hosting a small file on your site, so Apple can confirm you control the domain. Follow the on-screen instructions, complete the verification, and make sure to save your settings. If you use more than one storefront domain, repeat this process for each domain you want to enable. Once everything is enabled and saved, Apple Pay will automatically appear as a payment option for customers on supported devices and browsers. That usually means Safari on iPhone, iPad, and Mac with Apple Wallet set up, and in some cases other browsers that support Apple Pay via the system wallet. The button will show up in Stripe-hosted flows like checkout and payment links, and in your own site or app if you've integrated Stripe's payment components. A few quick tips to ensure a smooth setup. Make sure your site is served over HTTPS. Enter the exact domain customers use at checkout, and allow a little time for verification to propagate if you just added the domain. If you don't see the Apple Pay button immediately, view your checkout from a supported device with a card added to wallet and try again. And that's it. You've logged in, opened settings, navigated to payments and payment methods, turned on Apple Pay, set up and verified your domain if required, and saved your settings. Once enabled, Apple Pay will appear for your customers on supported devices and browsers. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Apple Pay tips and tutorials.